Tapi sebelum itu jangan lupa ya sahabat gen kembar, klik subscribe. Assalamualaikum sahabat gen kembar, welcome back to gen kembar channel. In this occasion, gen kembar will share how to make a paper finger game. Our famous name is fortune teller. For the first time, you can choose your favorite patterns. Yeah, I have just 2 patterns. Next, crease a square piece of paper diagonally from each corner. Like this ya, sahabat gen kembar. And the top right corner to touch the bottom left corner. Crease the fold with your finger and then unfold it so your sheet is flipped again. Yeah. And then sahabat gen kembar, for the next step is keep rotating and folding your paper until you have made a smaller square that containing 4 triangles like this. Yeah, you can see that 1, 2, 3, and this is the last one of the triangles. And then next you can fold the paper in half from each right. Yeah, like this, you can see that. And then you can fold the paper until you have made a smaller square containing that 2 triangles. And then next in here 2 triangles too, like this. Is that clear enough, sahabat gen kembar? Yeah, I hope you are very clear about the step by step. And then flip the paper over and fold each corner to the center again. Yeah. Ta-da! Already down the finger game ya, sahabat gen kembar. Or famous name of this art and craft is fortune teller. I think the pattern so cute. You have to try at your home ya, sahabat gen kembar. For the next, write down the color's name. So if you play this game with your friends, you can ask your friends to choose one of them. and then put numbers on the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then next, if you and your friends want to play this game about the name of fruit, so you can write down the name of fruit in each number. So for example, number 1 grape, number 2 apple, and then number 3 orange, number 4 what else, sahabat Gen Kembar? Banana, and then what else? Jackfruit. Do you like jackfruit? I really so love it, the fruit. The next is guava, and then the next is watermelon. Wow. Kenapa? And then next durian. Come on, sahabat Gen Kembar. Already down, and then you can slide your fingers underneath and the square to operate the finger game. And then you can ask your friend to choose a color and then spell it out. After that, you can pick a number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last it, lift the flap for the number and I pick. And then you can open the name of fruit. Wow, finish. What do you think about it? So easy, so simple, and so clear ya, sahabat. If you any questions, kalau ada pertanyaan, sahabat bisa tulis di kolom komentar. And then jangan lupa ya, sahabat, klik like, subscribe, and share. Semoga video ini bisa bermanfaat. Thanks for watching, Gen Kembar, and see you. Bye.